Hello, my name is Justin Rice, and today I'll be doing a presentation called The Bleeding Edge of Medicine. I'll be summarizing the 2018 Netflix documentary, The Bleeding Edge, and reflecting on how it connects to what we've studied this year in the Healthcare Policy, Law, and Ethics class. The Bleeding Edge is a powerful documentary directed by Kirby Dick and produced by Amy Zering. It investigates the dark side of the $40 billion medical device industry in the United States. This film focuses on stories of patients harmed by devices like the Ensure metal hip replacements and vaginal meshes, and it highlights serious flaws in the FDA's 510(k) approval process, which allows devices to go to market without proper testing if they're substantially equivalent to previous devices, even if those earlier devices were recalled. Through personal interviews, whistleblowers, and expert commentary, it shows how regulatory failure and corporate influence can have devastating human costs. This documentary is filled with ethical concerns. The biggest legal loophole it exposes is the 510(k) clearance pathway, where devices can get fast-tracked without real clinical trials. Informed consent is also often ignored when many patients don't understand the risks or alternatives to the devices they can receive. The film also raises serious questions about profit versus patient safety and corporations knowingly keeping unsafe devices on the market. There is a clear violation of principle of non-malfeasance, which is do no harm, and since patients experience irreversible damage, it also points out how little post-market monitoring is actually done once these devices are in use. Watching this film has helped me connect real-world harm to healthcare ethics and policies that we've discussed in class. It made abstract concepts like informed consent and regulatory ethics feel personal and has helped me better understand how policy gaps directly impact patient safety and rights. One of the biggest takeaways for me is the importance of ethical accountability, and not just for providers, but for lawmakers and corporations as well. The Bleeding Edge doesn't just show device failures. It reveals a broken system that puts people at risk. It reminds us that stronger regulation, transparency, and ethical responsibility are essential for healthcare. As future healthcare professionals, we must advocate for our patients, whether that means being aware of device risk or speaking out against policy failures. Patient safety has to be first and foremost and to come before corporate profit. One of the most impactful lines from the film came from Angie Fermalino, a patient advocate and founder of the Ensure Problems Group. She said, "The scariest thing is we think we're protected, but we're not. We are the experiment." That quote really stuck with me, and it's a reminder that there are human costs when ethics and oversight are ignored. Thank you, and it's been a great semester.